Given that y is equal to the cube root of x, find the y on the x. For us to answer this question, we are going to start by making use of the following. First, we know if we have the n root of x, it is simply equal to x raised to the power 1 over n. If we take the given problem y equal to the cube root of x, applying this, it will simply be equal to x raised to the power 1/3. Now we can proceed to find our dy on the x. Dy on the x will simply be equal to, first we know for us to differentiate the function, if we have y equal to x raised to the power n, then dy on the x is simply equal to, we take the power n times x raised to the power n minus 1 as the derivative. We are going to apply that formula to differentiate y equal to x raised to the power 1/3. This will simply be equal to, our power is 1/3 times x raised to the power 1/3 minus 1. This will simply be equal to 1/3 times x raised to the power, let's perform the subtraction, 1/3 minus 1, 1/3 minus 1, 1 can be expressed as 1 over 1. The LCM of the denominators is 3. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1 times 1, 1, minus 3 divided by 1 gives us 3 times 1, 3, is simply equal to 1 minus 3 gives us 2. The numerator, we have negative 2 all over 3. So this will simply be equal to 1/3 times x raised to the power negative 2 on 3. Now we are going to make use of this. We know a raised to the power negative n is simply equal to 1 over a raised to the power n. We are going to apply it here. This will simply be equal to 1 over 3x raised to the power 2 on 3. Such. This will simply be equal to 1 over 3 times x raised to the power 1/3 all this squared. As such, x raised to the power 1/3 is simply the cube root of x. This will give us 1 all over 3 times the cube root of x all this squared. Therefore, the derivative of y equal to the cube root of x is simply equal to 1 all over 3 times the cube root of x squared. We are done with the differentiation. If in case you have any questions, feel free to leave your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.